Hello and welcome to Ride On 2. I'm Chappy and today we're going to talk about winter. Those of us up here in the north, we have to deal with winter. Can't ride the bike, it's too cold, you get snow, ice on the road, it's not a good mix. So you have to find something else to do. Because all that time that you spend riding during the summer, during the winter, that's a lot of time to find something to do. So in this video, we're going to look at a few things you can do to kill some time and hopefully keep it motorcycle related. So first off, you can spend some quality time with the wife.
What's the matter?
I'm bored.
What do you want to do?
I want to ride my bike.
You can't because it's snowing.
I know it's snowing, but it still doesn't make me not be bored.
Fine. How much longer?
We're almost there. You can ride a virtual motorcycle. You can clean your tools.
What are you doing?
Cleaning my tools.
Why?
Good. I can't ride the bike.
Fine. Let's go. What's the matter?
The bike won't start.
It's okay, honey. It happens to everyone. I still love you.
You can also map out rides for next year.
I only get 2 weeks off. Summer better hurry the fuck up.
What?
Alright.
I'm bored. Are you okay?
Yeah. You're gonna cut all that shit out.
Bloopers.
That's not bloopers. It's just stupid.
What's stupid?
Showing all my mistakes.
That's definitely going.
Gee knows. That's not going in. Really? No? What the hell?
Like we're on a motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Huh?
That just sounded horrible. It's okay, honey. It happens to everyone.
I still love you.
Oh, I still love you.